Does vitamin C fight cancer? The hype and reality. Vitamin C has long been praised for its health benefits, from boosting the immune system to acting as a powerful antioxidant. But can it really cure cancer? While some early studies suggested high-dose vitamin C might help, decades of research have shown that it's not the miracle cure many hoped for. Let's take a closer look at why. For years, scientists and doctors speculated that vitamin C could help fight cancer in several ways. One idea was that vitamin C might strengthen tissues and prevent cancer from spreading. Early researchers noticed that many cancer patients had very low vitamin C levels, sometimes resembling scurvy. This led to the theory that boosting collagen production could create a stronger barrier against tumor invasion. Additionally, it was believed that vitamin C could inhibit an enzyme called hyaluronidase, which cancer cells use to break down surrounding tissues. Another theory focused on the immune system. Since vitamin C plays a key role in immune function, some believe that taking large doses could help the body fight cancer more effectively. As an antioxidant, it was also thought to protect healthy cells from DNA damage. Interestingly, vitamin C can also act as a pro-oxidant. At very high concentrations, in the presence of metal ions, it produces hydrogen peroxide, HO, which can damage cancer cells more than normal cells. Since cancer cells struggle to neutralize it, some researchers propose that vitamin C could act as a Trojan horse inside cancer cells. Certain cancers absorb vitamin C in a way that depletes their energy stores and triggers cell death. This effect was observed in cancers with KRAS or BRAF mutations, suggesting that vitamin C could be a targeted weapon against them. There was also speculation that vitamin C could influence gene regulation and how cells respond to low oxygen levels. Some researchers hoped this could reprogram cancer cells or make them more susceptible to treatment. Let's quick review what the research actually shows. In the 1970s, Scottish Dr. Ewan Cameron and chemist Linus began treating cancer patients with high-dose vitamin C, often 10 grams daily through IV. Their results seemed promising. Patients who received vitamin C reportedly felt better and lived longer than those who didn't. A small Japanese study also reported similar benefits. To test these claims, researchers at the Mayo Clinic conducted 2 placebo-controlled trials. Unlike the earlier studies, these trials were rigorously designed, and the results were clear. High-dose vitamin C had no effect on tumor progression or survival. Because of these findings, mainstream medicine largely dismissed vitamin C as a cancer treatment by the mid-1980s. Despite disappointing results from earlier trials, research into vitamin C and cancer didn't completely stop. Scientists later discovered that how vitamin C is administered makes a big difference. Orally, vitamin C levels in the blood are tightly regulated by the body. However, intravenous IV vitamin C can achieve much higher blood concentrations levels, potentially high enough to fight cancer. This discovery led to a resurgence of research in the 2000s. While vitamin C alone does not shrink tumors, trials show that IV vitamin C is generally well tolerated and may improve quality of life. Some cancer patients report feeling less fatigued, nauseous, and in pain when receiving IV vitamin C. There is also some evidence suggesting that vitamin C may enhance the effects of chemotherapy or radiation. For example, a 2024 study in pancreatic cancer showed that patients receiving IV vitamin C alongside chemotherapy survived twice as long as those who didn't. However, the results across different studies have been mixed. While some trials show extended survival or slower disease progression, others find no significant benefit. More large-scale trials are needed to confirm any real advantage. Why hasn't vitamin C lived up to the hype? There are several reasons why vitamin C hasn't become a go-to cancer treatment. One major issue is that the early studies had flaws. The 1970s research lacked rigorous controls, making the results unreliable. Additionally, many early trials, such as those at the Mayo Clinic, used only oral vitamin C, which cannot reach the high blood levels needed for potential anti-cancer effects. Cancer itself is highly complex, and not all tumors respond the same way. Some cancers have strong antioxidant defenses, making them resistant to vitamin C's oxidative effects. Additionally, vitamin C is water-soluble and doesn't stay in the bloodstream for long, making it difficult to maintain high levels in the body for an extended period. Another challenge is the lack of large-scale studies. Most recent trials have been small, so without large, well-funded studies, it's hard to draw firm conclusions. There is also concern that vitamin C, as an antioxidant, could actually protect cancer cells from the oxidative stress caused by chemotherapy, reducing treatment effectiveness. Should cancer patients take vitamin C? Vitamin C is not a replacement for conventional cancer treatments, but it may have some benefits in supportive care. For one, IV vitamin C may help reduce fatigue, nausea, and pain, leading to an improved quality of life during treatment. Some evidence suggests it could enhance chemotherapy or radiation effectiveness, but this remains unproven. Certain cancers, like KRAS or BRAF mutant tumors, might be more susceptible to vitamin C's effects. Though this approach is still experimental, many cancer patients also have low vitamin C levels due to poor nutrition. So ensuring a normal intake through diet or supplements could be beneficial for general health. Health organizations and cancer experts agree that vitamin C is not a cure for cancer. The current evidence does not support using it as a standalone treatment. While small studies suggest possible benefits as a complementary therapy, large-scale trials are needed to confirm any real impact. Many oncologists remain open to further research, but caution against relying on vitamin C instead of proven treatments, like surgery, chemotherapy, and immunotherapy. Some clinical trials are still exploring whether IV vitamin C can improve outcomes in specific cancers. But until those results are in, experts advise using it cautiously and under medical supervision. Vitamin C's journey in cancer treatment has been a roller coaster: early excitement, later disappointment, and now renewed curiosity. While it may help some patients feel better and possibly boost the effects of standard treatments, it's far from a cure. If you're considering vitamin C therapy, it's best to talk to a doctor and, if possible, join a clinical trial. Until we have clearer answers, vitamin C remains a hopeful but unproven player in the fight against cancer.